What's up guys, Shabar here, back with another new awesome video. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys around this store, the e-commerce store that I built. So consider this part 2, and we're going to go over the functionality of the e-commerce store that we built. I'm going to link the video in the description below. So if you want to see how we built this awesome website, I'm gonna have the link in the description so you guys can check it out. Okay, so let me click here and preview the store. So I would preview it just as our customer would see this store. So this is the store that we built from scratch till finish. Okay, and there is a lot of stuff that we need to go over to make sure that the store is working properly, accordingly, and also make sure every button is linked, go where it should be going. And I'm just gonna go around and see what I can tweak on this store. And yeah, that would be basically it for this video. Okay, so please keep in mind that everything that I have, such as this video, is auto-playing. The customer gonna put their video there, so I'm not there anymore. The app, the customer gonna link their app. So when the users click the button, it just go and download, hopefully, and download the app from the store they click. So if they click Google, they go there to download their app, and if they click Apple, they go there to download their app. Okay guys, so this is the store, and first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go through like an overview of the store to make you guys to let you guys, hopefully, understand what's going on in the store and how the store designed to operate. Okay, so as you can see, this is a slider right here, and in the sliders I can make as much slide as I want. For right now I got 2 slide. Okay, and when I hover over it, as you can see, the slider, it's paused because that's the functionality that I enable for the slider. Okay, so as you can see over here, when we hover over it, and if we want to go to the next slide, we can just click next and it go to the other slide. Please keep in mind that we have if you look closely down here, you see the timer of the slide. So whenever this timer runs out, the slide gonna change, and if I hover over it, as you can see, the timer is stopped. Okay, because that's the functionality that we designed for the slider. So if I just go off of it, you can see run out and then it change. If I do not want it to change, so for example something like interested in the slide and I hover over it, as you can see, it stopped right there. Okay, and I can read it if I want, and I can click where it's directing me to go. If I click it, as you can see, take me to the store. Just gonna click back, okay, and go down here. So down here, if the customer want coupon, they can leave their email right here and just click submit. Right now this is required, so they have to do it. If they need it, they have to put a valid email in there and click submit. Also, I'm gonna change, as you can see right up here, it say enter your email here. I'm gonna put it inside here, so not at the top. Okay, so that's one of the tweaking that we're gonna do inside of the builder right here. Okay, so if we go back, you can see this is free shipping. We got 14 days to return, and phone support, we can add the phone number right there as well. Okay, and as you can see right here is for the shopping category. In the video when we was designing it, we were designing here, so we have to link it to the product. And as you can see now, if you click the product, it go directly to the product, and you can add it to cart, and then you can go to the checkout. And one thing with Quack Builder website is so fast. It's like Google love all our website that we design. So if you got a Quack Builder website designed for your business, your website gonna rank very well in all search engines such as Google, Yahoo, Bing, and whatever search engine out there. Your website gonna rank very well because it's super fast. As you can see, anything I click, it's just, you know, it's just go there really quickly. Okay, nothing to load. There's nothing you have to wait on to load, and so on and so forth. Even the cart is so fast. So for example, someone, you know, want to check out this item, they check it out, excuse me, hopefully, and they like it, they want to buy it. And say for example, they want to buy the cart. This is how fast Quack Builder website is. So normally, you know, you can say for example, you can say you need more than one, so the quantity, if you need 2 or 3, you can, you know, you can add it by like that. But so for example, this is how fast Quack Builder website is, and not all website can do this. Like from other platform, Quack Builder website is so fast. So for example, I need like 4 of these. You can say, all right, 1, 2, 3, 4. And you see all of them add to the cart. So if I scrolled up, you see I got 9 stuff in here. So for example, just let me remove these from out the cart. And so for example, they need 4. They can just say 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. And it's add the 4 of them in the cart. Need 20. I can just go like that. And you see it just going in the cart. You see that? They just going in the cart. So this is how fast Quack Builder website is. Every website is just so fast. It's not nothing to load. So it just keep going in the cart. You do not have to, and you still can use the quantity. So for example, you want, you know, 7 or 8, you can just boom, and the 8 just add in there. But not all website that design from other platform can have that features. Okay. All right, and down here, as you can see, is you got some related product down here. And I say all that to say this. You can see right here. So this is other way you can add it to the cart. See, say checkout because it add to the cart. Say 32. All right, but if I go back to the home page, as you can see, this, like if I click these product, it can just go, you know, directly to the product, and I can just add it to the cart as usual, right? But if I come down here and say the best deal, and I hover over it, as you can see, it's a different functionality. You know, it's go the same place, but it's like a different way you can consume the content on there. So if I hover over it and be like, and I see the price and I see the description and I want that product, I can just click the bag and it had it to the cart. As you can see, 33 now, okay? So for example, I see the product, excuse me, hopefully, and I want to learn some more, and I want to see some more information, excuse me, hopefully, about this product. You can click right here and it open this little preview window, okay? And you can see more information about the product. And if you need it, you can just add it to the cart like that. Okay, so for example, you actually click here, you see this little preview, and you want to see more information about the product. You can either click here, say product, click the product name, the title for the product, or you can click the view details, and it take you to the product page. So you can, you know, you can see the product description and title and so on and so forth. Okay. Yeah, so that's an awesome functionality that we had to this page. Okay, so you have more than one ways to add stuff to your cart. Okay, And of course, you can shop our product if you want. It take you to the store and so on and so forth. Okay, we talk about the app. So if you have the app and you display the app on your website and you want them to download the app, as you can see, we got the button for the Google store and you got the button for the Apple store. So if you click these, depending on what devices you're on, you click the appropriate device and it just take you to the store and you can download the app. And we can have a feature in there that only show you the device store that you have. So for example, you visit the website on an Apple device, it will only show you the Apple button. And if you visit the store on a Android, it will only show you the Google button. Okay. All right, and we add some customer review. The customer have to add their reviews in here. If they do not have any yet, then we can, remove this section until they have some review, or they can just ask for some reviews and we can implement it for them. All right. The video, we already talked about this. The customer is gonna replace this with their video. And we have some services going on down here. They can add all their service down here. Okay, and as you can see, the book a consultation, and the button is there to book a consultation, but it's go to the store right now. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, the first thing I'm gonna do is fix this button on this website. Okay, so we have like a schedule, a class right there. So we have like a page for the consultation right here. Okay, so if I go back, scroll down to the button, you can see the book a consultation button. I'm just going to go back to the builder and I'm going to scroll down to that button, say link, and I just can choose the page that the consultation at. Okay, so I can go pages and I can just choose it from here, homeland and whatever what it called. I don't know what it calls, so I'm gonna link it right like this for right now. Okay, just click select, and if I save it and go back up here and refresh it, so this is how the customer is gonna see it, and I click here book now. As you can see, it go to the consultation page, so now they can schedule their consultation. Okay, so they can either choose a date that that they want, and the time that we available for the consultation is right here. So you can choose say 12 or 11, and then they can just add the name, email, phone number. And the good thing, what we implement with Quack Builder, as you can see right here, in every form, now we implement the phone area code. Okay, so now the customer can see that they should put their number in there, and they can actually choose what country. So this would be way better for you too, as the website owner, as the business owner, because you can see what country booking the appointment. Okay, because it's going to show up in the CRM of your back office of your website, and you can see where they from, because that's the number they put inside of there. Back then, when a customer put their number in here, you was trying to wonder like where they from, like what country phone number is it, because you have nowhere to know. You cannot know, because it was just a blank thing. Like the Wix site, they don't have this implementing inside their farm, so you don't know you don't know where they coming from, like what country number is it. But with Quack Builder now, as you can see, we implement the area code, so you can see the flags and the area code, like where these people is actually type in their number are they trying to book a consultation from. Excuse me, hopefully. All right, so it will have the area code in there, so all they have to do is just put their number there and just click book appointment, and you guys are all set. You will get a notification, the customer will get a notification, so you both know that you guys have an appointment and that time and that date. Okay, so the date and the time. Okay, all right, so if I go back, all right, so now that we adjust this button, so we fix this button. So next thing I'm going to fix, as I told you before, so this video is basically, guys, is the part 2 of how to, excuse me, hopefully, how to design an e-commerce website. Yeah, so I'm walking through the stuff that I need to tweak on the website before I hand it over to the customer. Okay, so as you can see, this email right here, enter your email here. So basically what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put that inside of the box. Instead of have it on the top of here, I'm gonna make it appears in here. So what I'm gonna do is go back to the builder and I'm gonna scroll up to the form, and this is the form right here, and I can click that and I can edit it. As you can see, the text is right here, right? Say enter your email here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna remove it from there, okay? And I'm gonna go here, say short description, let me see. Let me see if placeholder. If I put it in here, as you can see, it appears in here. Okay, and you can write a description if you want, but I don't want a description in there. So what I'm gonna do now is remove that, and you can see it's appeared in here, and it removed from the top. Okay, so I'm just gonna pull this down a little bit to give it a little bit of space, save it, and then go back out here. If I refresh it, like reload, as you can see, it's gone from the top and now it's inside of the box, so they can just click it and just enter their information there. Okay, all right, so the next thing I'm gonna do right here, let me see, as anything, anytime. Okay, so these look perfectly fine. I can add a number there if I want to. I can add the number there, excuse me, hopefully, but the customer will know if they need a number there. They can put it there or not. We can totally get rid of it if we want, or if they want, they can just put their numbers inside of there. Okay, all right, so the next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna scroll up and we're gonna make sure that these texts are from the header that goes where they're supposed to go. Okay, excuse me, hopefully. So if I click the deals, as you can see, it just come back to the store. So that's something that we can fix. And if I click home, you can see this is the deal we're running for that watch. So you know what I mean, you can come up here and modify everything regarding that. Okay, so it's more unique to that product. All right, and as you can see, we still have some suggested product, and back what I said regarding the other ways that customer can consume the information. They want to add it to cart, or they just want to preview it, and so on and so forth. Okay, so as you can see, guys, these web pages are very beautiful, And the way how we design these pages is for conversion. That's why Google love our website so much, because we build all our website to convert. So if you have a customer come on this website, you will convert them into someone that make a purchase through your website really fast and really quick. Okay, so it's easy enough for everyone that visit your website know exactly what to do. Okay, so not a lot of confusion. That's why Google love our website so much, and we rank very well in search engine, so you can get more customer and more sales to your business. Okay, so as you can see, every website that we build is optimized for conversion. All right, so they can shop, they can buy the watch, they can, you can see if I scroll down here, we can have some question, frequently asked question, and when they click it, they're gonna see the question in there, like the question they asking, the information in there, and we're gonna do that for 3 of them, and we can do it for more. You know, we can have as much question and answer as we want, but for right now we have 1 through 3 of them. Okay, like frequently asked questions, excuse me, hopefully. All right, so that's for that page. All right, special deals, and as you can see, guys, we have a lot of deals going on this website. Okay, so basically what we do, we make it so simple, so anyone click anything they go to that page, they know exactly what that page for. So no confusion. They know when they come here, they gonna, you know, if they need a deal, they can just order the deal and that's it. Nothing else to worry about. Okay, and all these information gonna be modified accordingly to the deals. Okay, all right, about us page. See, we have beautiful about us page as well. So all these pages gonna be modified and go where it should be going. And the contact us page, if we click the contact us, as you can see, say get in touch. We have a form here. As you can see, the form is right here, and as I said before, every form now we implement this, so you can know where these people is filling out these form, what country they in. Okay, so this make it more easy for you. So stuff like these that we pay attention to, and stuff like this, like we make it easier for you, like the little things that make it, you know, more better and unique, because you know you need to know where the customer had. Sometimes you can, if you don't have, like, say for example, country on the form, like you can not know where your excuse me, hopefully your customer is coming from or filling out your form from, you know what I mean? So that's a way how to, you know, when they put their phone in, they're gonna choose their country, and that's one way how you can tell where they from. Okay, so over here we're gonna have their support information, such as, so for example, support email and sales email. You know, when you run a business, these things, you know, you can have both if you want. You know, you got phone, you got the address and the operation of hours that, you know, she gonna put in. Once I get these information, I'm just gonna put these in, make sure that everything is there when I turn the website over to the customer. Okay, all right, so to be honest, this website is really designed really well, and it's really good, built for conversion and everything. So simple enough. So what I'm gonna do, I see a little tweaking that I have to do up here, because I gotta, say for example, let's see, I gotta have to put product 3 deals, the name gonna go there. Okay, for that. But for right now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna modify this a little bit. So for example, this is the menu. So what I want to, not the menu information, I'm going to change the information for the menu and make sure it go to the right place, make sure the deal is the right deal and so on and so forth. But for right now, I'm just gonna modify this because I need it to be a little bit bigger. And you have option, you can make it like vertical, you can make it be a badge if you want to, but horizontal is my favorite for this website. Okay, so for the font, as you can see, it's small right here. So if I want to make it a little bit bigger, I can just put it up some like that. Okay, and if I want to change the color, I can change the color, but I don't want the color to be changed because I like it as black, because for right now, this old theme is like the color for it, the global color for it. And if you want to change the global color too, you can do it by come here and change it from the global styling. Okay, but if I come back out here, see it's small and I make it bigger. So if I refresh it now, you can see it more bigger. And another thing that I want to tweak on there, I'm looking to see maybe the red color would be good. I say black, but or blue. Excuse me, hopefully. If I come back over here, so let me see if I can make all the over. Let me see that it's black, so everything is black, right? So when I hover over it, it's still showing black. So what I want to do, if I want, I think that reddish color was because I'm trying to uniform it so it fit back with this up here, the button. So when I hover over it, it give me that button color. It give me that color. So if I come back over here, and as you can see, if I hover over it, now I can see the color just like this. Okay. So if I hover over this, you can see go black because it take back the color. So I'm trying to color code, so vice versa. Okay. Yeah, so that's awesome. So that's one thing I fix with this. All right. And let me see. Scrolling down. All these are good, but I always like to double check and see what need to be changed. Okay. So the footer. All right. So if I scroll all the way down, all right. So as you can see, the footer information, like I have to make these go to the appropriate page that it should be going. All right. So home should be going home. Let me see up here what home up here does. So home. All right. Separate. These have to change because home should be not the best deal. So let me change these first to make sure the header work accordingly first before I change the footer. So the best deals, I see that I have to change these two. I say home right here. So let me see. If I refresh it now and I go home, good, and best deals. You go to the deals, special deals, go to special deals, about us, go to the about us, and get into contact, go to contact. Okay, perfect. So now I'm going back to the builder and I'm going to scroll all the way down and I'm going to make the home go to the home, and I'm going to do something in a minute. So let it be like that for now. And see, this is what overwork. So I don't have overwork yet. So I'm gonna do contact us. Put contact us. To contact us as it had before. And about the company. So I'm pretty sure that I did have an about us page, about us. So I'm linking that to that and save. Oh, I think I have another one. It says best deal. So I'm gonna go best deal. I'm just gonna change all work and put best deals right there. Put best deals. Come here. Special deal. Let me okay. Let me see some. I'm just gonna copy this and do it externally like that. Just for the video. Alright, so cool. So I have all that change. And if I can scroll all the way down, let me go back first to the home page, scroll all the way down. As you can see, they're right here. But because they're in black too, you can hardly see it, right? But if I click them, they go to the appropriate page. So I do all that to do this because I want to show you guys something. So if I come right here back to the builder, I want to change the text by global. Okay, so it's, if you guys want to color code your website, you know, you can just come right here, say global, and you can say text, right? And if you see right down here, it's say a text link, okay? And for the text link, remember I just linked these. So for the text link, if I want them to be, so for example, that red color, I can click red, and as you can see, change. And every links that you create, the system gonna automatically know to turn it into that color because that's the global color. Okay, so if I save it and I refresh it out here, as you can see, it's become the color, and when I hover over it, it's got this blue color. Okay, and why we put it in a different color? Because the background is already black, so that's why we put it in that blue color. Okay, and we can change it to any color that we want to. Yeah, but that's basically how you do that. Okay, so it's just we build an awesome website and we just go over it and we tweak everything that we need, that we see need to get, you know, tweak. All right, and once we add it over to the customer can change anything because it's pretty simple, pretty easy to change anything on their website, or we can just change it for them. Okay, so if you need something to change or you need to add something, we can do that for you. Okay, for example, as you can see down here, I'm just gonna add a text. We're gonna have this right here, and I'm gonna modify it and say whoops, excuse me, hopefully. Let me just fix this real quick, and then we'll put it in white. Whoops. Put it in that color it's supposed to be, that I want it. Center it, and yeah, we can have it like that. You know what I mean? We can have it like that, and then if we click save, once we come out here and refresh it, you can see it right there. All right, and you can make it bigger or you can make it smaller. if you want to. Okay, you can make it bigger, smaller, however you want to make it. You can make it as, oops, excuse me, hopefully I've been duplicating it instead of reloading it. All right, there we go. As you can see, that's how you do it. All right, perfect. All right, so we just going over the website, you know, fix the little arrows that are on there. And yeah, basically that's it. That's how you make an awesome e-commerce website into Quack Builder. Okay, and everything, as I said before, build to convert. If I go to the click here, you can go to the checkout, and as you can see, this is the checkout page right here. And wow, that's a lot of money. And the discount, it even count the discount that you get. So this is the, you know what I mean, the discount, and that's the total amount that they're gonna pay. All right, it's a lot. You can just, you know, put it down if you want to. You can say, all right, it's one. You know what I mean? They can still, when you go in the store, choose how much they want, like that, and they put the information in over here. And once they put the information in, they can just, yeah, just go to step 2. They put the address and then billing details, and they can check out this product. It's not gonna let me right now because I have to put in all the information, but you get the idea. And everything is secure. Okay guys, everything is 100% secure. If it is 1,000%, there will be 1,000% secure as well, because this is everything just to prove that everything is safe. You can see everything, guarantee safe checkout. So all your customers that come on here will know that they safe to buy the product on your website, and it's encrypted, so no one can steal any information on your website, okay, because it's encrypted. So it's 1,000% safe, 1,000,000% safe to shop on your website. Okay, so yeah, that's why Google love our website so much. That's why we rank so very well in search engine. Any website built in Quack Builder, Google always favor them in search because they're fast, they're easy to use, they're not complicated, they don't have a million things slowing down your website. Everything is just well optimized on your website. Okay, so Google love these things about website, and this is one of our main thing that we do here at Quack Builder. Safe is one, fast is one. It's crucial when you have a fast website. You have to have a fast website. Loading speed have to be fast. Don't put anything on your website that slow it down. That's why we are so much better than all these other website builders, because they are so slow. They slow down your website, they slow down your work. It's a bad user experience. Like once a user come to your website, they don't know what to do. It's just ridiculous. So all these things, like giving your website bad signal, it's sending bad signal to Google. So you're not gonna rank very well because Google don't trust you that much. So you're not gonna rank very well because they don't, you know, they only trying to show website to people that, you know, is gonna actually buy something or interact with your website, or you know what I mean, like basically their job as a search engine owner is to show the relevant information to their customers. So if your website is not up to par with all these things that they need, your website ranking is gonna dilute dramatically, and you're not gonna rank very well. You're gonna lose a lot of customers because they're not gonna show you stuff. Okay, so yeah, in a nutshell, this is Quack Builder, and this is how to build an awesome e-commerce website. I show you how to build this website from start to finish. And also, if you need to watch that video, it's gonna be a long video, but it's gonna worth it if you want to follow along. If you want us to build it for you, we can build it for you. Or if you want to build it for yourself, you can actually do so as well. Okay, we're gonna have links in the description so you can basically just basically go to quackbuilder.com if you want to build it to yourself for yourself. Excuse me, hopefully you can go to quackbuilder.com/quack-builder-website/home, and you can start a 14-day free trial right there. It's only $1 to start a 14-day free trial. Or if you want us to build it for you, you can just go to this web page, that's quackbuilder.com/business, and yeah, you can order your Quack Builder for Business website right here. You can see if you click it, it's gonna ask you some basic information, and once you fill that out, one of our experts will build your website for you from scratch, from start to finish, and you're gonna have an awesome website like this, very fast, very user friendly, so your customer can just, you can start make money online. I know if you want to make money online, it is crucial to have a website that up to par, that beautiful and convert. Okay, and we do all of that here at Quack Builder. Okay, so once you hone your Quack Builder website, like if we build it for you or you build it for yourself, once you own a Quack Builder website, you will get all the information that you need regarding this website. You will see how much people, because this is no information. So for example, you have the traffic. This is the traffic that coming into the store, and you can click daily traffic. You will see how your traffic going, and you can sort it by the date, the month, the year, whatever you want to do. The pages that they're visiting, if you click there, Quack Builder break everything down for you. So this is a home page. You can see 80% of people is on the home page. They visit the store, the impression of the store, and the store percentage of conversion, like how much people go to the store, is like 13% out of the 29. So it's break everything down for you. Okay, so you see what product they go to, the store cart. If they go to the cart, this is the cart right here. So if you go to the cart, if they check out, if they go to the checkout page, you can see it tell you basically everything. You go to the contact, store product 5. These are the name of the products that's on the store. So you can see product 5. This is product 5 right here. That's what it's telling you. It's telling you like, hey, somebody go to your store and they visit the store product 5. So that's that store, and this is product 5. That's the product right here, and it tell you how much percent of the people that go there. So it have 6 impression, and then you have 2.8% of that 6 visit that product right here. All right, so it's basically break everything down for you, and so on and so forth. And the next thing that's great about Quack Builder, it also, when you click referral, it's nothing is here yet because it's a brand new site. But as I told you, like Google, Bing, Yahoo, wherever your traffic coming from, it's gonna tell you right here. So if you come from Facebook, it's gonna say someone from Facebook visit your site. Come from Google, it's gonna say someone from Google visit your site, and it's going to break down everything for you. So for example, you're going to see the percentage and stuff like that whenever the information comes in here. The site is new, so nothing is here yet. I'm going to tell you the devices where they're coming from. So for example, you can see, say, computer 214 come from the computer, so that's 100% because all the visitors that come to the store is from the computer. If you got from mobile devices, it will tell you how much, and it will break the percentage of the mobile devices visitors down that visit your store. It's also, you can see the browser, excuse me, hopefully that's the browser they use to come to that website. So if you're on the Chrome, because they're on the Chrome browser right now, so if you have a Chrome, it will say browser, it's a Chrome browser. If you're on a Firefox, it's going to say Firefox browser, and it's going to tell you how much impression, and it's going to tell you how much percentage from the browser. Okay, so if it's Netcafe, if it's what they call if it's, you know, Microsoft Edge browser, it's gonna tell you every single browser that come to your website. It break everything down and it tell you everything what's going on with your website, storage and bandwidth and all that. Okay, not gonna go over that because, you know, that's another video. All right, and if you come back, you can go back to the builder. This is where we build our site, and the store is basically what you have selling onto your website. Okay, so that's the store. So for example, the product, for example, these are all the products that we have listed on our store right here. Okay, so the store will collect the payment from your customer and so on and so forth. You can categorize them, you can change category, you can make as much category as you want. And yeah, in a nutshell, this is Quack Builder. You can add product, you can see, you can add a physical, digital, services, and membership product. That's that's all the product covered into Quack Builder that you can sell on a website. Okay, subscription, you have the discount count, you can make discount code and send it to your visitors, and so on and so forth. And you can change, as you can see, the layout style. As we go over this, we can go over this in another video, excuse me, hopefully, but you can change the style of your website, the layout style of your website. So for example, it's like that. You can just come here, you can change the settings how you want it, and you have a lot of different settings that you can tweak onto your website. You can basically customize and build your own website style of the checkout right here. You can build your own style. Okay, we're gonna go over this into another video so you guys can see how to, you know, customize and tweak and, you know, job shadow if you need to for the product and so on and so forth. But it's a lot of style you can change, you can, you know, you can do to your store. If you need it left, you need it right, you need bottom. It's just a lot of stuff that you can do here with Quack Builder. Okay, so if I come back here, orders, if you have the orders, so for example, you make your store right here and your store start to sell like hot bread. Excuse me, hopefully you will see all the orders that's coming down like boom 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 boom. A lot of orders with this coming down, and we count and tell you how much order you have right here. Okay, so right now 0 because this store is new, it's a new store, not even out to start collecting payment and sales yet. But achieve orders, you will see them once you get them. Abandon cart, you will see them once you get them, and so on and so forth. So Quack Builder break down everything for you, so your life much more easier. Okay, and so for example, you have, so this is the contact for the CRM, excuse me, hopefully. we're gonna have a video on this as well, so you guys can understand what's going on in here. Excuse me, hopefully. But the CRM for the contact is for the form. Okay, so for example, someone go to contact us and they filled out this form. Right here are anything that filled out on your website, such as form or anything, will come right here. Okay, all the information will come right here. So you will see their name, their email, if they type a message, you will see it, and so on and so forth. Okay, I got another video that I'm gonna do regarding this. We should have one, but this is basically in a nutshell your CRM, and it tell you basically everything about your contacts and so on and so forth. We're gonna go over, like, say for example, membership and so on and so forth. We're gonna go over all this. We have some awesome stuff to teach you guys. We have a new course coming out as well, so you guys gonna be amazed of all the stuff that we teach you. We're gonna teach you how to build your site. We're gonna teach you how to market your site. We're gonna teach you how to get sales to your website. We're gonna teach you how to say for example SEO, search engine optimization. We're gonna teach you a lot of stuff, a lot of stuff. Okay, and we have some awesome new updates coming as well. Okay, so look out for all these awesome updates that come in to the builder as well. You can do your appointment. As you can see, I only create one appointment, and it's like a booking appointment. But yeah, this in a nutshell, you can, you know, have your operator. You can have more than one operator and so on and so forth. You can choose a time that you want they schedule on the calendar. So if you don't, so for example, let me see on the calendar if I can find it. Oh, book an appointment. If I come out here, oops, excuse me, hopefully. Did I pass it? No, I think it's done. More, I guess. Yep. Yeah, right here. So if I could book an appointment, you can see take me to the calendar. Okay, so you have total control over your calendar. You can say, all right, if you look up here, these are all the data I selected that we available. Okay, all the other data, as you can see, they blank. You cannot choose them because we're not available on these days. So as when the customers come to your calendar, these are all the dates that they can choose from. So they just have to pick one that best for them and choose the time that best for them and put their information in that's best for them. Okay, so as you can see, you have total control over your calendar, and this is how you do that. You know, you choose the time that you want, the date that you want, and so on and so forth. And for the form request, you can add the name, email, phone. That's right here. So for example, you choose a date. That's a name, email, phone. All right. So if you want to add something to the calendar differently from name, email, and phone, you can just come right here and then you can say add a field, and we make it easy for you to add it. All right. So for example, you want to collect let me see, the city. If you want to say city, and you can move them around, excuse me, hopefully you can move them around where you want it to appear on the form. So name, email, and then city, you know what I mean? Just for example, click save and save changes. If I come back and refresh it, as you can see, if I choose a date, time, now city appear on the calendar. You can see city appear. If you don't want the city, you can just take it off. It will most appropriate for you to put address, but it's just for the video I put city. All right, so let me remove this and say just address. So address would be better. So name, email, address, phone. Okay, so let me just click that, save it, go back out here and refresh it, choose the date, and name, email, and address. On phone is the last thing, then they can book their appointment. Okay, so it's very easy, guys. Like once you get your website, we will give you total access to your website as well, so you can change all these things. We're gonna have the school so you guys can, you know, learn how to change it. We have tons of videos on YouTube so you guys can learn as you go. It's very easy to use. It's not complicated like these other builder. It's really fast. As you can see, anything I click, it just go. Sometimes I click something and it just go there that I don't want it to click because of this mouse. But it's really fast. It's not slow like some other builders, like slow down everything. It's fast on the back end and it's super fast on the front end when the visitors visit your website and, you know, just going through to try to, you know, make a purchase from your website. Okay, so as you can see, guys, this is Quack Builder in a nutshell. If you're new to my channel, guys, please subscribe and click that post notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload new videos like this one. Okay guys, there's a lot to learn about website and web design and web development and SEO and all that. Building a website is just one thing. When you trying to make an online business, you're gonna learn this too as well as we go, because I'm gonna teach you everything that you need to know so you can become successful online. So building a website is one, but the other thing that you're gonna need to learn after you build your website is to drive traffic to your website or to make sales to your website so you can start to earn a nice income from your website. How would you feel if you can generate an extra $1,000 even per week or per 2 weeks or even per month? You know, it's the sky's the limit. Once you have a good design website just like this, beautiful website, easy to use, nothing is running all over the place, video over there, and some other thing dancing in the background somewhere. Like it's just straightforward, it convert like crazy. You can, the sky's the limit, guys. Or your job after that is to drive relevant traffic, drive traffic to your website, that people that actually need your product and services, and the sky is the limit. You can make 500 per day, 200, 300, 700, 1,000, 2,000 per day. It's all up to you, guys. Once you build and design your store just beautiful like this one using Quack Builder, the sky is the limit. I'm telling you, you can make a lot of money, you know, just having a beautiful website like this one, a fast website, not a slow one like the other builder giving you. I'm talking a fast website that load very fast. It's not slow. It's just there and ready to start to generate income for your business. Okay, and that's what we do here at Quack Builder. That's what we teach here at Quack Builder, and so on and so forth. Our goal is to make 1 million business owner to become successful on the internet. That is our goal. All right, so if you're serious about making money online and want to make money from home or want to make money from your business, order Quack Builder today, guys. You will not regret it. Order Quack Builder for business if you want us to make it for you, because we can make it for you as little as 2 to 3 weeks. We can make your custom website for you, hand it over to you so you can change everything on the page. You're gonna get access to the back office just like this. You can, if you see a text that you don't want, one click, you can just change it. Okay, change it to whatever you want. All right, so you will get access to the back end of your website, so you can change everything. And why we do this? Because we want to show you how easy it is for you to run your own online business. Okay, so that's why we make everything inside of one builder, fast, ready to go. So you can come in, you can check your sales, you can say, okay, how much money I make today, and you can just go through and say, okay, cool, my store is doing very well. You know what I mean? You're not seeing any money yet. There's no money yet because obviously this is a new store, but we make it easy for you to have everything you need to sell your product, nourish your leads. So for example, you got some people started filling out form on your website. We got the email marketing, so you can nourish your leads. You know, I go to create. This is the email marketing in a nutshell. As you can see, we have lots of design that we create. We have everything for you guys. We have basically everything for you. Okay, so you can create email, send your email to your customer. All right, promote your product via email, and they can click, they can go, and they can purchase your product and services. It's that easy, guys, to start to make money from home or money online using Quack Builder. So excuse me, hopefully. So if you want to get started, just visit quackbuilder.com and just, you know, let us build it for you, and you just drive the traffic and start make some money. It's very easy, guys. So yeah, that's it. If you want to watch how I make this awesome new website from scratch, there's nothing, from a blank basically a blank theme or a blank page, and I build this from the ground up. Okay, nothing on the page, to an awesome custom website just like this. And yeah, you will learn, once you learn how to make a website from scratch, once we hand your website over to you, there would be nothing that you cannot do. That's why we make that video from scratch, and we're gonna have a link in the description showing you guys how to do that, so you can learn how to make one from scratch if you want to, or it will be easier for you to tweak the one that we build for you and give to you, because you're gonna see everything. You're gonna see, so for example, you want to add something else to your website, you're gonna know that you should come over here, go to the builder, scroll down to the area where you want to add the thing, and you're gonna click the plus button. You're gonna put that thing right there and basically add whatever you want to add in there, and just customize it. Basically simple. Okay, not gonna save that, but you get the idea. That's how simple it is, guys. Like, we show you from scratch, so you know that there's nothing that you see online that you cannot build using Quack Builder. If you see it, you can build it using Quack Builder. Okay, so like that being said, guys, I'm gonna close this video out. If you want to see how I build this awesome new custom website from scratch, all you need to do is just go to the description. We're gonna have the video in the description, so you can watch that video. It's a long video, but it's gonna worth it, and links gonna be to quackbuilder.com. so if you want to basically build your website on your own, you can do so. Or if you want us to build it for you, you can just order Quack Builder for Business, and yeah, we will build your custom new website for you. Okay, guys, thank you guys for watching this video, and Yeah, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe, click that post notification bell. Also, like, share this video to someone you know it will benefit, like it will help. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one. Peace.